Welcome to the analytics section of Play. Here, you'll be able to stay informed on your business by getting the insights you need fast without any analytics experience or technical mumbo-jumbo. Let's get started. Have you ever logged into Google Analytics or Google Ads or YouTube Analytics and just been overwhelmed by all the numbers, the different graphs, and what it all means? Well, Play's here to solve that. It's here to answer your core business questions like how do customers find you? Where are your fans putting their eyes and ears? It's built to find the right answers, essentially, fast. We know how crucial it is to stay up to date on how your business is doing. That's why we've created a simple and fast weekly report that you can get in seconds. You'll get answers to your most important questions in plain English. You can also see the percentage change from week over week, accompanied with a nice graph. You can also switch and easily select between different insights that are automatically recommended to you. You can easily switch between different time periods like 7 days, 30 days, and 365 days for when you go through and select your different insights below. You can easily connect to any of your Google Analytics accounts seamlessly in just a few taps. You can choose between your different properties and views. If you're looking at Google Analytics, you'll see a Visitors Remaining Progress Tracker at the top of your screen. This will help you see how many website visits you need each month to reach your revenue goal. So you can just tap the three dots at the top and get to this screen where you can add your revenue goal, your price per product, and see how many website visitors you need per month to reach your revenue goals. And you can look at this every single day to see how you're tracking to meet your goal. Seamlessly switch over to another platform like YouTube. So you can scroll through all the different insights in YouTube Analytics. You can also get a fast and easy to understand weekly report to see how your channel is growing, what other videos you should be making, and what current videos are doing well to grow your channel. You can scroll through a list of recommended insights, and we're always adding new insights and platforms like Facebook to analytics regularly, so make sure you check back.